exhibit is called Tom Loeser, Please, Please, Please. August 4th through October 28th.
About 2,000 visitors came to see the exhibition.
I think it's beneficial for the artist who is wanting to expand their medium with woodworking, also because SDSU has the wood furniture design. As for the visitors, it could be for inspiration, either they're into the crafts or into the design. One of the visitors told him that his work was unique, and his reply to her was, "That's what my mom said."
Exhibition sponsored by Ron Abramson, Diane Powers, Rob Seidner, the Allied Craftsmen of San Diego, Wendy Murayama, and Bill Sherrier, Ruben Fote, and the Visiting Artists and Lecturers Committee. Additional support is provided by the School of Art and Design, the College of Professional Studies and Fine Arts, Arts Alive SDSU, and the San Diego State University Art Council ambassadors.